What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're going to be drawing Sobble from Pokemon Sword and Shield. Now the first thing we're going to do is draw a large oval in the center of our page for the head. Now I'm going to leave a gap along the bottom. So we start over on the left side of center. We curve out around the side of the oval. Come up to the top. Down the right. Now I'm just going to pull that in towards the center. Now let's draw the eyes along the side. So over on the left side, we're going to draw an oval, starting from the very top, curve around towards the bottom, and pull that up towards the top. Now I'm going to do the same thing over on the right. So we're going to line up the top of the oval, come down to the same height, and back up towards the top. Now I'm going to push the iris and pupil towards the inside. Starting on the inside edge of the left eye, we're going to draw another oval. Draw this a little bit smaller, leaving a gap along the outside. And I'm just going to pull that in towards the inside of the eye. Let's do the same thing on the right. And then we'll add one small oval in the center of the iris for the pupil. Now I'm going to move down and draw a sideways oval for the mouth. Starting in the middle, curve out towards the left, down towards the bottom, and back up towards the top. And then from the left side of the mouth, we're going to curve up the middle, and then down towards the right for the tongue. Let's tuck the cheeks underneath the eye. Starting on the left side, at the bottom of the eye, we're going to draw a circle, curving around, and then up underneath the eye. Let's do the same thing on the right. Now we're going to add a trim along the face. Line up with the top of the eye, right in the center, and we start with a point. From this point I'm going to curve down and out underneath the left eye. Go back to the top, we'll curve down and out underneath the right eye. Let's close off the bottom of the trim. Starting underneath the cheek, we're just going to curve out and down toward the side of the head. And then directly above the mouth, on either side, we're going to draw two small dots for the nostrils. Let's move all the way up to the top and draw on the fin. From the center, we're going to step over towards the left. Start by curving out, and then up towards the right. We want to round this out, come down. I'm just going to pull this in towards the head. We're going to stop right about there. Let's add a smaller fin. From here, we're going to curve out and up, round up the fin, and pull this in towards the top of the head. Now we're going to add the front edge of the fin. Starting from the top, we're going to taper this all the way down towards the top of the head. Let's move down and draw on the arms. From the bottom of the head, we're going to step out, and curve out, and then in towards the wrist. Let's do the same thing on the right. Curve out, and then in. And then we're going to draw on the hands. Starting back on the left side from the wrist, we'll come down, and then in. Let's round out the tip of the hand, just pulling this back out on either side. Now I just want to follow that same curve, going around and then back in towards the thumb. And I'll just round up the thumb, pulling this back out and then down. Let's draw on the inside of the arm. Starting from the wrist, we're going to follow that same curve of the arm, going around and then back in. Now from the top of the arm, I'm just going to curve out and then down behind the thumbs. And then in between the tips of the finger, we're going to draw a curve. From left to right, we're going to come down and then up. Let's move to the outside of the hand. Starting on the left side, we're going to draw an angled line going up and out towards the inside of the knee. Now I'm going to curve this down and in towards the bottom of the ankle. Now from the ankle, we're going to curve in and then down towards the first toe. And we'll round this out and go back out. Let's round out the bottom of the foot. Starting from the toe, we're going to go up and then back down towards the outside of the foot. Let's round out the toe. Pulling that back in. And we'll follow the same curve of the foot going in towards the ankle. Let's go back to the left side. We're going to draw the outside of the leg. We're going to follow that same curve going out and up. Now, as we get to the knee, we're just going to pull this in behind the arm. Let's add the tail over on the right side. So we're going to draw a large half circle, starting from the side of the head. We curve out, round out the tail, and then pull that in behind the leg. And then on the inside of the leg, we're just going to close this off, just pulling that in. Let's add a small circle over towards the right. Starting from the top, and draw on that circle. And then from the outside of the circle, we're going to curve down and pull that up in behind the arm. And that's pretty much it. There we have it. There's Sobble from Pokemon Sword and Shield. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.